Hello, everybody. I am back. I know it's been a minute, but here I am. This tutorial again is a no-nonsense tutorial. I am using my usual BB cream by Black Radiance, my concealer. I show you how to cover up a little mark that I had on my chin. I used my powder to set my face, to set my makeup, I should say, by MAC. And I've been doing this with my brows for a minute. I use kind of a liquid liner on my brows, and then I go back over it with a brow gel. And that has proven to last all day. I've been loving it, even through sweating and running around and hot flashes, which I haven't been having as of late because I've been taking black seed oil. But anyway, so that's what I've been using on my brows. On the Masquerade palette, I am using only two colors, that gold and the black that you saw. The black I'm using in the outer corner to kind of give the eye like more of a smoky look, because I was getting ready to go out for the evening. And so the color of dress I was wearing is like was a lemon yellow, so that's why I chose that yellow gold color again. In the previous video, I paired that color with purple, and now this time I'm pairing it with a black to give it more of a smoky, sexy kind of look for the evening. I'm using my fingers just to blend the colors in. Starting in the middle, I started with the gold and I blended it out to meet the black eyeshadow so that it'll be a nice transition. I'm going back over the colors after I added the black, just to kind of pop the gold a little bit more, because sometimes as you're blending the colors, it can fade, so all you have to do is add a little bit more, which is what I did. I am using my liquid liner on my eyes, and I'm only applying it on the top lid, and that's just something I usually prefer. I feel like it makes the eyes look nice and wide and bright. And I'm going over any kind of smudging that I saw with a little bit of concealer, just to kind of clean it up. And right now I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm applying that same yellow gold eyeshadow on my bottom lid. So instead of doing like a black eyeliner, I wanted to kind of brighten my eyes all around, but I still have a little bit of smokiness on the outer corners of my eye. I just applied my creamy bronzer and some blush. And then now I am applying a chocolate lip liner, and I'm doing a chocolate lip. And I chose a chocolate lip because my eyes were nice and bright, and I just kind of wanted a muted, deep color. And so that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.